really bad.
This motherfucker P. You told me to call you 10 minutes, so I think it passed. And I didn't get a chance to ask you what's inside raviolis. I asked you what's inside raviolis and you never told me. What's in it? Hello? What? Well, you said A, so I said what?
A.
Oh, okay, so we're doing the alphabet. Okay, so you said A. B. You're supposed to say C. Apparently he doesn't know his alphabet. Stupid motherfucker P. That's his name. His name's motherfucker P. No, it's
He
not.
hung up on you?
Yeah.